Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.